Good morning to one and all. So today, I, Ms. Anchal, and my colleague, Ms. Nazbeen, are going to present a game which is named as CVC Word Reading Apple. Okay, so this game is very easy to understand. It can be incorporated in your class easily, and there is no such chance of any student not getting chance also. Everybody will be involved in this. So first let's understand um, from Miss Nesbin. She will show the PPT. Nesbin, Miss, over to you.
Good morning, everyone. I'll just show you the PPT. Name of the game is CVC Reading Apple. The aim is to engage the child in reading the CVC words in a fun way. About the game involves in blending of the words in the CVC word, and they will also know about the initial sound and ending sound. The age group we have targeted is K1 and K2. Our subject matter is this game is relevant for the children of the K1 grade K1 and K2, as even in K1 ending we have a CVC word reading, and initially we can play at the K2 level, because we do five vowels and we do the CVC word, so they can be played at the class. So this is our model pictures.
Okay. So I would like to explain what is there in the picture. Nesbin, previous slide. Yes. So here is an apple. Okay, and here we have consonants here, which are in blue color, and we have in the center we have vowels which are in red. The apple is having a slit so that the strip of the vowels can be inserted and it can be moved. Okay, and the vowels can be changed, as you can see from first picture to second and the third. The vowels change, the teacher can change the vowels, and the consonants also can be changed, the letters also, beginning and the ending sounds also can be changed. And teacher can ask any word. For example, it is the first and the beginning sound will remain the same, but the vowels change. It has different words coming up. So teacher can ask child to read these words with different vowels also. Over to you, Miss.
So as my partner said, the game can be played individually and as well as in teams. So we can create a team and divide the class into two parts, and we can show the reading apple. Teacher can hold it, and we can call the participants from one team. First, suppose team A, they will come, and one child from team A will come, and he will pull the strip. He will blend the word, he will read the word, and then if the word is right, the teacher can give them stars on their hand or at their motivational chart. It is a very cost effective game because we all have chart papers lying in our classes at home. We have all the papers and everything, so it is very cost effective game. And yes, the students will be engaged as we will play it into two groups. And about online, my partner will explain.
Okay. So, so this game can be played in your offline class, that is in the school, in the classroom, and it can be played online also. This game can be played either ways. So, I will just show you how it is played and how we can carry out the same in our online classes also. Just give me a moment. Yeah. Okay. So here is the game. This is the reading apple. I have pulled out a few letters to keep them as the beginning and the ending sound. And in the center, I have the vowels. So, teacher, if for example, this is an online class, okay? So you want to take a recap of CVC words and initial and beginning and ending sound. So what you can do is, for example, you're asking one child to read this word. So one child has already finished reading. Just change, just just move the strip and change the word. Change the vowel. Okay. So the other child can read, and then you can move on to the next one also by changing it. This is just a small. This is just a small. I have made a demo. the words, the initial and the beginning and the ending sounds can be changed. For example, I can change these two words. I have taken blue tack to stick these letters. So teachers, you also can do this. So you can make different words and ask the children, and children actually they feel it very, they feel very excited when they actually see the words changing, the vowels changing in front of their eyes. They're like, wow, how is it changing? How did you do it? So that's also there. And in the classroom also, if you wish, you don't want the child to come and change the vowel, as a teacher, put the reading apple on the board with the blue tag, stand there, and you can just keep on changing the vowels and the letters. Yeah, that's it with my game. Yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you.